I really want to start building my PC, to be honest. Maybe I'll build that today. Build it. Should I just send it right now? All right, so for those who don't know, I have never built a PC before from scratch. I've only interchanged parts. Just so you guys know, I've never actually built a PC from scratch ever before. Just so you know. So like if I do shit a little bit wonky, it's because I don't know what the f I'm doing. Well, not entirely, I don't know. But this is literally my first time ever building a PC from scratch. Like this PC that you see, this PC down here, I have replaced like a bunch of shit in it before. The only thing I haven't replaced in it was the CPU and the motherboard. Everything else I've replaced. And the CPU fan. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Just saying. So I'm assuming what I want to do first is take my motherboard. Actually, no, I would want to undo this first, right? This is an educational PC building video. Yeah, you could definitely say educational because I've definitely done this before. No one heard that, right? I'm being a child. I was trying to see if I put it in and I was like, is it in? And I was like, that's what she said. I'm just being a fucking child, okay? I'm just being a child. So, then I would put the... Hey, get the fuck away! Bilo! Get out! Ow, 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 ow. Oh my god, you fucking psychopath. Nothing says classic ADHD brain. Like, goes in the kitchen for a pair of scissors, sees bags of pretzels. Oh, bag of pretzels. And then I'm like, oh, that'd be really good with hummus. And I'm like, oh, you know what'd be really good with hummus? Some carrots. And I'm like, oh wait, I should take an extra carrot from my stream room so that I can eat it. And then I'm walking away and then I left the pair of scissors. So now, this is nice. I've never used this case before. The case that I have is like an iBuyPower case. It's like a stock iBuyPower case. We have a problem, I think. This is gonna be the header for YouTube. This is the classic Florida pose. I let Twitch chat build my PC. That's gonna be the YouTube title. I'm gonna blow it up, yeah. We're gonna go Momo. What? So techie? She's a nerd. She's a nerdy girl. Okay, stop. I need to fucking build this. I've been doing this for 2 hours and I don't even have the goddamn motherboard in it yet. Look at the interior. Oh my god, my neck. Ah! Yeah, the supervisor's here. Excuse me, sir. Oh. Am I doing a good job? Oh, he doesn't care anymore. Okay, so I upgraded my motherboard, I upgraded my CPU, and I upgraded my CPU cooler, my heatsink. So. Ah! Drop it right in, that works. How else am I supposed to do it? I'm confused. I got it in. It's time to get screwed. Right? Isn't that crazy, the amount of ports on it? I'm so excited. I have so many room for activities. I'm gonna want to make it so that the wire, is coming off of this side, right? Like up top and then over? Or would it want to be downward? I forgot how it's supposed to be. Ain't she pretty? Oh my god, I'm right there. Come on! Come on! I got it! Let's go! Oh my god, that was a process. The 3-pin on the left, right? Yeah. We got it. And we got that in. Cheers. Rage in the chat. This is the moment of truth. Okay. Oh my god!
Hey. Would you look at that?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Chat, it's alive! Oh my god! Let's go! I'm so excited! Dude, I could not have done this without Delta in chat. So huge shout out to Delta for doing this. So Let's go. Wait, you guys have to see. It looks so sick, dude. It was so worth it. Seriously, Delta, thank you so fucking much, dude. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And thank you to everybody else who also helped in the build, this PC build. You know, obviously I could not have done it without y'all. So thank you so much. But I'm so surprised. Dude, is this the first ever? Is this the first ever Twitch chat built PC? I didn't watch a single YouTube video. I didn't read a single thing online. All I had was Twitch chat. That's sick. Just saying.